Why we love anime manga.
Why do we care so deeply about characters who don't actually exist? Why can a drawn face on a page, or an animated hero on a screen, make us laugh, cry, and feel understood? Today, we step inside that mystery and explore why anime and manga feel so powerfully real. Anime and manga began in Japan, but today their stories travel everywhere. Manga, literally whimsical pictures, tells stories through illustrated pages, while anime brings those worlds to life through animation. Together, they've become one of humanity's most creative and powerful storytelling traditions, touching hearts across the globe. Our brain doesn't draw a line between real and fictional people. It uses the exact same neural pathways for both. So when a character triumphs or faces heartbreak, our emotions feel completely real, complete with the same rush of dopamine or stress hormones you'd feel in real life. Psychologists call these connections parasocial relationships. They are emotional bonds formed with characters who cannot know us back. Yet these relationships feel safe and comforting, offering companionship without the risks of rejection or misunderstanding. Often, the characters we love reflect pieces of ourselves. Research shows that fans frequently project their own traits and struggles onto fictional heroes. When a character feels relatable, flawed, uncertain, growing, we recognize something deeply human. When a story truly captures us, something remarkable happens. We mentally step into its universe. Psychologists call this narrative transportation. The deeper the immersion, the more it feels as if we've actually lived through the story alongside the characters. But these worlds are not only escapes. Stories allow us to rehearse real emotions in a safe environment. Through fictional struggles, we explore courage, loyalty, sacrifice, and resilience, lessons that quietly prepare us for challenges in our own lives. Sometimes the appeal is simpler. Fiction creates a brief protective bubble, a space where stress softens and worries pause. For many readers and viewers, these stories become a comforting refuge during difficult moments. Manga and anime also strengthen empathy. Their expressive art styles, close-ups, dramatic expressions, silent panels, help us read emotions and perspectives different from our own. Over time, this practice can deepen emotional awareness and understanding. For some fans, anime and manga become part of personal identity. Communities grow around shared passions, and labels once used negatively, like Otaku, have been reclaimed with pride. Supporting a favorite character can even become a meaningful form of self-expression. Shonen stories like Naruto or My Hero Academia mirror the real challenges of adolescence. Characters struggle with belonging, friendship, and discovering their purpose. Watching them fail, rise, and grow gives fans a model of resilience they can carry into their own lives. Psychological manga such as Death Note or Monster go even further, presenting moral dilemmas that have no easy answers. Psychological narratives invite viewers to question justice, responsibility, and power, encouraging critical thinking and deeper self-reflection. Beyond the stories themselves, fandom builds community. Online discussions, conventions, and shared references connect people across the world. Suddenly, a personal interest becomes a shared language spoken by millions. And sometimes fans step inside the story themselves. Through fanfiction, cosplay, and creative reinterpretations, audiences expand the worlds they love. The story doesn't end with the final episode. It continues through the imagination of the community. In the end, caring about fictional characters reveals something simple and profound. The same heart that aches for a hero on the page is the heart capable of caring for real people too. Loving anime and manga isn't weakness. They allow us to inhabit our most beautifully human quality, the deep, joyful capacity for connection.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.